I would say our culture is the biggest strength of our company, and it takes a special member to be part of our team, and our whole team is special, to be honest. What we do, we ultimately do an assessment of the home. That's going to tell us exactly what output the equipment we're choosing needs to be. Pull the old stuff out, put the new stuff in, and that's really it. It's that simple. So this unit no longer needs gas. So we're able to take your old gas burning boiler, throw that thing in the trash, put the new heat pump technology in its place, and ultimately maintain comfort with peak efficiency.
I emailed a bunch of HVAC companies and said, was anybody interested or familiar with or actually installed any air-to-water heat pumps? And out of all those people, Jason really was the only one that responded. Gave me a lot of confidence that they're familiar with the situation and the hurdles in doing this kind of a thing. They came out here and looked at the house, and then they did a good job of actually presenting several scenarios. Overall, I think the process has worked very well, and just having the interest level from the HVAC person has been very nice. I would tell them I'm very happy with Sandbox, and at least check you guys out and have you visit them and see, give it a try. So.